With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So our question is, if omega be a nth root of unity, then 1 plus omega square plus omega to the power n minus 1. We have given 4 options and we need to tell which option is correct. Now omega is what? Nth root of unity. That means what I can say, that x to the power n minus 1. This thing can be written as what? X minus 1. Okay, because omega is a nth root of unity, into this is what? X minus omega square dash dash, this is what? X minus omega to the power n minus 1. Now roots is what? 1 omega square dash dash omega to the power n minus 1. Now if I apply sum of roots, so that is what? 1 plus omega square plus omega cube plus dash dash omega to the power n minus 1, and that is what? Minus b by a. But see this thing, b is not given to us. B is what? B is a coefficient of x to the power n minus 1. That is 0. That means what? 0 upon coefficient of x to the power n, that is what? 1. So this becomes what? 0. So value of this thing is equal to what? 0. So option A, 0 is a correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.